Hello students, today we are starting a new topic, that is a two-letter words. Two-letter words means two alphabets, that is vowels and consonants. With the help of we will make two-letter words. There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U and 21 consonants. So let us learn to write two-letter words. Now, CW classwork. Topic: two-letter, two L double T E R letter, W O R D S words. Two-letter words. A M M A N N A S S A T at A M M A N N A S S A T at. Now second row, B E B H E he M E me W E V B E B H E he M E me W E V. Now second row, I F if I N in I S is I T it. I F if I N in I S is I T it. Now next, D O do G O go N O no S O show D O do G O go N O no S O show. Second, T O do O F of O N on O R or T O 2 F O F of O N on O R or. Next row, B Y by M Y my, U P up, U S us, D Y by, M Y my, U P up, U S us. You have to complete 2-letter words. A M M, A N N, A S as, A T at, B E B, H E he, M E me, W E V, I F if, I N in, I S is, I T it, T O do, G O go, N O no, S O so, T O to, O F off, O N on, O R or, B Y by, M Y my, U P up,